Good morning, this is me, Manya Gupta, your tech host. And the bulletin of the day starts with WhatsApp that may soon be your default messaging app on iPhone. Nvidia introduces Project G Assist, your new gaming sidekick. Then OpenAI in talks for $50 billion SoftBank investments. Airtel lands world's longest subsea internet cable in India. Then we have DeepSeek, which ranks fourth globally in AI traffic. India rises in AI use. Nothing's second community edition phone coming soon. Meet the Phone 3A, and finally we'll be knowing about Elon Musk's Grok AI, which is now on Telegram. Let's talk about the quiz section. In yesterday's quiz, we asked you 1 gigabyte is equal to how many megabytes? And the answer is 1000 megabytes. Now it's time for a daily tech question. Here's the one today. Which chip powers the iPhone 15 Pro? Confident you got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune into tomorrow's bulletin to find out if you nailed it. Let us begin with the news. WhatsApp is gearing up to become the default messaging and calling app on iPhones, thanks to Apple's compliance with EU's Digital Markets Act. iOS 17.4 already allows users in EU to change their default browser and payment systems. And now, Meta wants WhatsApp to replace iMessage and FaceTime too. So if this happens, users can set WhatsApp as their go-to app for calls and text, bypassing Apple's native services entirely. Now, this move could shake up the Apple's long-standing ecosystem control, giving the third-party apps more visibility. It's currently being tested internally and is expected to roll out in the EU first, with no official words on global expansion yet. If successful, this could set a major precedent for how messaging works on iPhone worldwide. Next, we have Nvidia, which is blending AI with gaming in the most exciting way yet. Meet Project G Assist, a real-time AI-powered assistant designed to enhance your gaming experience on GeForce RTX GPUs. Now, this smart assistant can analyze your gameplay, give you the tips on strategy, optimize settings, and even offer performance insights on the fly. For example, if you're stuck in a difficult level or unsure how to level up your gear, just ask G Assist. It pulls information from developer database, community wikis, and more. The assistant can even tune your system settings to improve frame rates or reduce latency. It's currently in early stages, but Nvidia's demo has already created serious buzz in the gaming community. If integrated widely, this could totally redefine how casual and competitive gamers play. It's like having a game coach, performance analyst, and wiki assist all in one. Power Up just got a new meaning. Next, we have it about OpenAI, which is reportedly in advanced talks with Japanese tech giant SoftBank for a massive $40 billion investment deal. If finalized, this would become one of the largest funding rounds in AI history. The deal would not only support OpenAI's existing operations, but also fuel partnerships with robotics but will also offer partnerships with robotic companies like 1X, which is building humanoid robots powered by OpenAI's models. Investment is expected to supercharge the development of AI-driven physical systems. Think personal assistant, robots, automated service machines, and more. Now, this move clearly signals OpenAI's ambition to go beyond chatbots and enter the world of AI-powered hardware. It's a strategic bet for the SoftBank too, which has long bagged futuristic tech. So while the deal isn't sealed yet, insiders suggest talks are moving swiftly. With the AI arms race heating up, OpenAI's potential of $40 billion war chest could reshape the future of intelligent machines in homes and workplace alike. Now there's a big news for the telecom space. Airtel has successfully landed the world's longest subsea internet cable in India under the CMEWE6 project. This cable spans 19,200 kilometers, connecting Southeast Asia, Middle East, and the Western Europe. It lands in Tamil Nadu, Mumbai, and Chennai regions, giving India a massive boost in internet infrastructure and bandwidth capacity. So why does this matter here? Well, it means faster internet speeds, reduced latency, and enhanced cloud connectivity, all critical for India's growing digital economy. Airtel says that this move will help them cater to rising demand from data centers, cloud providers, and even gamers. The cable project is backed by a global consortium, and Bharti Airtel is the only Indian telecom participating in it. It's a major step towards strengthening India's position in global data exchange and future-proofing its network of 5G and beyond. So for Digital India, this is a serious milestone. Now, India is making waves in the AI space, and here's more proof. DeepSeek, a rising AI platform, now ranks fourth globally in monthly user traffic, following giants like ChatGPT, Claude, and Google Gemini. So, with over 100 million visits last month, DeepSeek's India-based user base is rapidly growing, reflecting countries' increasing adoption of AI tools for education, work, and creativity. The platform, known for its fast, accurate language response, is gaining popularity among the students and professionals alike. What's more interesting is that India is now among the top three global markets for AI traffic, right behind the US and China. Now, that's a huge leap for a country where AI adoption was once limited to tech hubs. So, with more localized AI tools and increasing awareness, India's digital generation is embracing intelligent systems like never before. AI revolution in India is here, and it's only just beginning. Carl P's Nothing is at it again, and this time it's inviting fans to be a part of Journey. The brand is launching its second community edition smartphone, likely called the Phone 3A. Following the hype around Phone 2A, this edition will include design, software, marketing elements created by Nothing community itself. Submissions are open globally, and fans can pitch in their concepts, from themes and back panel designs to wallpapers and UI features. Nothing says that the idea is to build a phone with people for the people. While specs haven't been officially revealed, it's expected to carry forward the minimalist design and clean OS experience, which is the brand known for. Launch is likely in the second half of 2025, so if you have ever wanted to influence how a phone looks or works, this might be just for you. Last but not the least, we have Elon Musk's Grok AI chatbot, which originally exclusive to X, formerly Twitter, which is now available on Telegram, expanding its reach beyond Musk's own platform. Grok is built by Musk's AI company, XAI, and is known for its witty, unfiltered, often sarcastic responses. Its Telegram launches comes as a Musk aims to compete directly with ChatGPT and other mainstream AI models by offering something that's more edgy and more conversational. Users can now access Grok through a dedicated bot on Telegram where it can answer questions, chat, and even joke around in real time. This move is part of Musk's larger plan to decentralize AI access and bring it to platform people already use. Whether Grok becomes a household name like ChatGPT remains to be seen, but with Telegram's massive global user base, it certainly got a strong starting point. That's all for today. We will again meet in next bulletin tomorrow. Thank you.